Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn actions using the sets. So this we can implement on the worksheet and the dashboards. Here are the three things which we are going to achieve. One is using the drill down and the drill up. Second is customer sales and the profit distributions based on the subcategories, and the icon using the set actions. So let's go with the drill down. Here we are going to see region and then the state and the cities. So what happened here? So let's say if I wanted to drill down the data, I can able to drill down the regions, and let's say if I wanted to drill down for East region, I will not be able to. Here I have to drill down all the regions, and here if I wanted to drill down, let's say for New York, I can't drill down here. Again, I have to click on the plus sign. So the problem here is I wanted to drill down a specific region, specific state, and that specific state will give me the city details. So how we can achieve that? So this we can achieve using the sets. So how we can create a set? So set we can create in any of the dimension fields. So if you just right click here and create, you will get here set. But if you go here and check here create, you will not find the set. So set we can only create on a categorical data. So here in our case regions, so right click in the region, create and the set. So here I'm not selecting anything, I'm just giving the name set region. Click on OK. So once you click the set region, now we have to create one calculated field so that our set should work. So I will give this one as a drill to state. So here we will give one condition: if set region, then it is state, else it is region. End. Yeah, so here we got it the state, right? So if I click here, it's not working on. Why? Because we have not implemented the set. So set, we have to go to the worksheet, and then we have to go to the action. In the action, we will get the set, and here we have to select the worksheet. Okay, the worksheet number is 1, and here we have to select the set which we created, and with the assigning value, all values. So I'm just removing all the values from the set. Only it will give whichever fields have selected, whichever region has selected. So let's click on OK, click on OK. So let's say South region, we can able to see East region. Yeah, so our one statement has completed. Now second statement is, now if I click on the state, it should again drill down the data to the city level. So again we have to create a set, but this time we have to create the set on the calculated field which we created. So here drill down the state. Here again we have to create a set, and I will give this name as a set state. Click on OK. Now we have to create one calculated field. This calculated field is drill to city. So here if the set which we created, set state, then city, else it is blank. End. Okay, so again we are drilling down to city level. Click on OK. Drag this drill city beside of the state city. Okay, so here you have to go to the action, and in the action again you have to create the set, and in this set you have to give it city level drill, and here you need to select state, remove again, click on OK, click on OK. So before going to this, I will just rename this set one as a state drill. Click on OK, click on OK. Okay, so now let's see. So from from regions, I'm selecting here central. So in the central, I'm selecting Texas. So inside the Texas, whatever the cities are there, I can able to see. Indiana, right? So this is how we can do the drill down for the city level. Yeah, so this we got it drill down using the set. Now, if I will just duplicate this, and instead of the tabular information, if I plot this in a graphical way, I can also able to see here. So here if you see, we just have to make it in a proper order. So region, state and city. So here if I click on the central, I'm getting here central and the Texas. Whatever the cities comes under this Texas, we can also able to drill down that. You can see all the cities which comes under the Texas, which we can able to see here with all the distributions of the sales distributions we can able to see here. Yeah. So here inside the central, Texas and city wise, we can see all the distribution. Yeah. So if you click on this, you will come back to the initial stage. Yeah. So this is how you can able to do the distributions. So drill down through the tree map. Now here we have the second statement, which is the customer sales and profit distribution. So here we have the customers and sales and profit distribution, right? So we can create here, chart, and based on these selections, okay, this customer selection, we can able to see how our distribution happening. Customer distribution based on sales and profit. So this we wanted to see based on subcategories, okay, based on all the categories. So let's say if I'm just seeing the sales, so these two things we wanted to implement here. So we wanted to implement here how the distribution happening based on the customer selections. Okay, how the customer distribution happening on the different subcategories. So here I will give here name as a subcategory distribution by sales. Yeah, so we need to create here set, and this set we have to define on the customer wise. Just give this name as a customer set. Okay, don't select anything, just click on OK. Now here we have set. Now this set we have to drag it into the color section. Okay, and I will also give it here label, and if you want you can also change the number formatting. So I'm just changing the number formatting so that it will be easier for us to read. Okay, so let me bring this both the worksheet into the dashboard. So here we have customer distribution based on the sales and the profit. So based on this selection, okay, I can able to see how much distribution happening on the subcategories. Okay, so here So previously we have implemented this drill down actions on the worksheet. Now we are trying to create the same drill down action into the dashboard. So go to the dashboard, actions, okay, add set and give here customer distribution. So customer distributions, and here select the set, customer set, and here is all set values and remove all values. Click on OK, click on OK, and based on your selections we can able to see what is the distributions for the different category wise. So this is how we can see how our customer distribution happening on the different categories. Okay, so there is one more way to represent the same kind of data. We have a segment. So segment I wanted to represent on a shape wise. So here we have three different shapes. So I will select here the icon for consumer. Let's say this is consumer, this is corporate, and this is home office. Okay, and I will make it as a full screen, and let me drag it into the column section. Okay, so this is how we can able to showcase. Based on the segment selections, it will change the distribution. Okay, so for this again I have to create one segment wise set. Here you give the name as a set segment. Click on OK. Now I'm bringing this into the dashboard. So here again action using set based on the icon. So here we can drag the icon worksheet, then the distributions worksheet. I'm just increasing the width of the dashboard. Okay, I'm just hiding this. Okay, now go to the dashboard, action, and here again create a set, give the name of the set. So here I'm giving icon or icons set, and based on the icon selections it will change the segment, right? So click on the remove all values, click on OK, click on OK. So if you select here, you can able to see it. And one more thing, so here you have to select the segment into the color. So here whatever the segment you will select, based on that it will work. So here let's see if I'm selecting two segments, okay, home office and the corporate, it will again give you the output, right? But if you wanted to restrict that for any chances, it should only select one segment, right? On that case, go to the actions, and then here in the action you have to give the single selection. You can see here single selection only. Click on OK, click on OK. So if you select here, if you're selecting this, it will not work. Got it? So that's it for the sets. And there are so many things which we can do using the sets. So these are the few examples, and this is how we can implement the set actions in the worksheet and the dashboard. Thank you so much.